Hey, this is Mateo and Cali with WTI.
And we have found a great way to keep our cats entertained with this interactive cat toy by Giociv. This toy moves in any direction with a string attached to it, which my cats absolutely love. Something that especially catches their attention is how fast the toy is able to move, which gets Callie moving and curious when it gets out of her sight. The chirping sound is also very enticing for her to follow. For my older cat Nala, she likes just looking at it and following it with her eyes, which makes me know she's also staying entertained. It has a few different modes that I can choose from, anywhere from fast and quick movements to slower movements. I normally leave the toy on standby mode so it wakes up a few times during the day and the battery lasts a long time. I don't have to charge it for a few days. This toy has been an amazing way to keep my cats entertained and on their toes when I'm not at home, which is super important to me.
And that is our point of view.